Alright, today we're going to take a look at a web page, or actually a series of web pages all connected. How do we make our main page, our index page, connect to other pages within our own project? Not just links to outside, but links to other pages, files in our own project. So first of all, we have to create our first page. So I'm going to put a header in here like I usually do. I'll center it, give it a color. Red is fine, and this is alright. Obviously my color didn't catch, but I can always go back and highlight it, and I guess I forgot to say OK, and there we go. Now maybe for this page I'll have a background of a light green, kind of an, whatever that is. Oh darn it, undo. I was still in the, go up to edit and undo. I needed to click out of the header, and it puts me back into the body text. See, body, and then I can give my whole background a light green color. Not that I'm in love with that, but it'll do for now. It's not really good color combinations, but let me see if I can find one a little lighter. Not a green, I guess. Oh, maybe I'll do it that way. Kind of ugly, but yeah, okay. So now, just to differentiate all my pages, I'm going to put an image in for each page. Center it, image. I've already loaded some images into my week 14 folder. Okay, the index page is for the first one, and probably should adjust the heights, dimensions. Let's say 320. Oops, custom, forgot that. Make it half the size, 320. Okay, and okay, at the bottom, it's not going to be a link. Oh, the alternative text is going to be fall colors. Okay, so boom, there it is. Not too bad. Okay, we get below that. And I'll put a link in. Now my link is going to be go to page 1. Probably should have called it something else, but okay, it's going to be page 1.html, and it should be enough. Okay, now I'm going to actually put 2 returns in. I'm going to put another link in. Oh, I don't remember the pictures. Doesn't really matter, I guess. The colors, I think the second one was, yeah, it doesn't matter. Okay, haven't even made these yet, so page 2.h not an H, dot HTML. Oops. That's not what I wanted to do exactly. Link. See if it'll bring it back up. Okay, good. It's not letting me edit it once I've made it, I guess. So we'll cancel, and I wanted to make this go to, see if it'll let me do it here. Go to page, make that smaller like the other one, page 2. Alright, see if that works. I'm thinking it's not going to, because it's not blue. Okay, just to be safe, I'm going to get rid of it and start over. It's another thing you can do. And we're going to call it page 2.html. Sometimes making mistakes is a good thing because you can see how to overcome them. And return, and one more link. Go to, if I could type I'd be dangerous, 3 page, oops, no spaces, 3.html. Okay, so now we've got our little page and we've got some links. Now I'm going to save this in my folder. Where's my save? There it is, save. This is going to be at the top of the page, index page for project. Okay, and now that will come up as the name, but I don't want it to be that. I want it to be index.html, and I'm saving it in week 14, not week 13, and I will have a page in there that would refer to this, and it's by all the pictures, so it's at the same level as all the pictures. So now I'm going to make a new page, and I'm going to just header centered. I'm going to choose a slightly different text or color so we know it's a different page. This is page 1. Click off of it so I'm back to my body, so I can pick a background color that's different. Pick an ugly yellow. Okay, this is page 1. Down in here, just to show us when we're all done that these are all different, I'm going to put in an image. Find the image. I've called it image page 1, just to kind of help me along. Oh yeah, that's right. This is old dead tree. Forgot about that one. And again, I'm going to make its dimensions. Let's see. Ooh, you know what? The height. Well, let's see what happens with the original dimensions. Might be kind of big. So, okay. Let's see if I can. Okay, dimensions. Make it a little bit smaller. It's kind of tall here. I can't see all the things I want to. So, let's. Oops, custom. Got to click custom. Take 100 off of it. Sometimes you just play around. When the constraints are in here, then the width will go with it and the picture will look better. Okay, that's not bad. And then return. I'm going to put a link in. and enter the text back to the home page. And I will call it index.html. Okay. So we will have a link in here that takes us back to the home page, and then we'll save this as page 1. The title I will put on here, this is page 1. Oops, that's not a 1. 1 of this project. Oops. Again, if I could type, it'd be dangerous. Of course, this isn't going to come out like I want it to, so I'm just going to call it page1.html. Oops, HTML's in there twice. Don't do that. No 2 dots. Okay, page 1, and it's going to go into week 14 next to the rest of these. Okay, and now a new, and I know it's kind of rinse and repeat here, but gotta set these up. Thought it would be good practice to watch them too. Header, centered. Gotta pick a new color. You know what? I could use black for this one. This is page 2. Nice space. 2. Return. Now we're back to a body text. I'll put in a background color of real light blue. Should survive. That's not bad. Okay, now I'm going to slap an image in here. Image. Location. Image for 2. Alternative text. Stormy sunset. Okay, did I forget anything? Oh, dimensions. Let's see. So probably make it 3. Oops, I always forget to push the custom. 320. Okay. And well, let's go back once. I probably could have survived at 640. Not that it's so important, but just curious. Alright, not bad. Return. Now link back to it wouldn't be the end of the world either to put a click here to go back to the home page, but usually people know that web pages that blue means it's a link. Okay, that's the name of the home page. So that's done. We're getting there. Save this one. Page 2 of this project. Next page 1, page 2, okay. And I'll just call it page 2.html. And there we go. And one more. Header, I'll make it a 3 this time. So it's smaller. We'll center it. And I don't know. Let's see. I know what I'll do. I'll make it. I don't know if we can do that. Well, we'll try. Let's see if this works. This is page 3. Now, that didn't show up, but watch. We come up here with a dark color, like maybe gray. See if it shows up. Ah, did it again. Darn it. Undo because I forgot to return. Okay, disappears. Return. Now I'm going to the background of the body, not that header, and I'll pick the same gray, and there we go. This is page 3. Sometimes it's neat to see white text. Put the center in here. One last image. Image page 3. Alternative text. Drying. Dying fire. Dimensions, kind of tall. Let's see what happens. Nope, too tall. Okay, dimensions, custom 3. Okay, and a link. One final link back to, I'll try this one here this time. Click here to turn to the home page. Okay, and the index.html. Now, if I did everything right and I save this, page 3 of this project, I'll just put in page 3.html. Here they all are, and hopefully everything's been done right. Now I will go to a browser and file. Crazy. Week 14. Index.html. I'll shrink it up so we can see it all in our little screen here. Okay, that should be pretty good. And cross your fingers, go to page 1. There's page 1. Back to the home page, go to page 2. Back to the home page, go to page 3. Click here to return to the home page, and it worked. So it's making multiple pages as simple as that. Just have these pages linked to each other. The key is they all have to be, if I can find that for you real quick, they all have to be in the same folder. They all have to be in the same level. We're keeping it simple this way. The images and all the other files have to be kind of next to, touching at the same level as the index file. So hope that helps, and have a great day.